It's 3 in the morning, guys, and we're headed to the airport. Welcome to the channel, everybody. We are in New Delhi Airport, 3 a.m. headed to Thailand. Woo! Just booked the ticket actually late last night. What's interesting is I have a drone, and we have reasons for concern because another YouTuber a few weeks ago, I guess months ago by now, mentioned that his drone was confiscated. So after a lot of research and reading airlines policies, I decided to pick this airline called Go First, which apparently if you check in the drone but carry on the battery, you should be okay. However, the popular airline called SpiceJet, that's like the big airline here in India, they have no clear instructions on what to do, like nothing specifically drone related. I booked Go First, funny name, and I wanted to see how this whole process is going to go. And I think we are here, yes. Bangkok. All right, so let's get in line. It's funny, so they all have a 7 kg baggage limit for carry-on. I think 20 or 30 kg for check-in, which is enough for me. 7 kg is hard to get to, you know. But they allow you a carry-on bag and a small personal item bag with no weight limit on it. So what I'm going to do is separate it out, of course, and have my heavy stuff in a small bag. And I think we should be all right. Let's see how it goes. That was a ridiculously easy check-in. He never weighed anything. Super nice guy. You know, just asking me if the emergency exit on the plane was okay. I was like, sure. Big smile, yeah. Super easy. We're all checked in. Now just gotta go through security and wait for our flight. Now the big hurdle when it comes to drones is always the security check-in, not the airline where you get your boarding pass. That's where we're headed now. Keep your fingers crossed. These drones are becoming a pain in the butt, let me tell you. Like for the last few years. When I first got a drone back in, I think 2016, it was a dream. No one cared. Everyone was delighted to see a drone fly and come and watch your screen, see what you can see. Wow, amazing. Police included. Now everyone treats them like they're like weapons or something. It's just a camera that flies. People have been flying toys for years. I used to fly radio-controlled airplanes many years ago, let's call it. And nobody thought that every single thing that flies is going to be some weapon. It was fine. But, I don't know. Anyway, it is what it is. Let's see where the security line is and get through it. Through security, no problem. Of course, again, the body of the drone is packed into the check-in bag, so hopefully that's not an issue. But for my onboard, like carry-on stuff, they had me take everything out, normal procedure, but of course they don't see a drone, they see a drone remote, but I'm not sure if they know what that is. No issues, just standard check-in, and really quiet. Everything's great. Got some food for the flight because I didn't pay for food for the flight, so I had money left over. All we need to do is when we get to the other side, see if my drone has been removed from my check-in bag, which it won't be. I mean, there's no reason. But, yeah, a little nervous, but I think we'll be fine. I think we'll be fine. Right? Fingers crossed. Hello. Welcome on board. Thank you. We are on the plane. 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. Not the cleanest window, but hopefully it'll do. Very foggy day in Delhi today. Very foggy.
And 2 at the front of the aircraft. Evacuation slides are located at all exits.
And just like that, we are in Bangkok, France. Sawadka, land of smiles. Alright, we still have to go to the baggage and see if the drone is there. I'm sure it is, but we'd like to confirm. So go first flight was pretty good. I mean, no complaints. The airplane was clean. Flight was good. Not much to say, and the check-in process was great. So as long as my bag is in good shape and here, then go first. Why not? Next step is immigration, which of course they always have no video, no photo signs at immigration. So I'll go through that, hopefully no issues, and then we'll get to baggage and take a look inside, make sure everything's okay. Wow, immigration was impressive. There were hundreds of people there, and within minutes everyone had cleared out. I couldn't believe it. It's behind me. See, the room is empty. And we're looking for my bag. It's baggage claim 22, which is this one. And I see it. My bag has arrived. But yeah, amazing. They didn't even ask for proof of onward travel, which I have, but they didn't ask for it. So nice, so welcoming. Wow, go Thailand, man. Amazing. Alright, so I have to book a flight still, but I wanted to show you this. So when you come in, even before you go through the customs, there's all these SIM card providers, as you can see. So TrueMove, DTAC, etc. But what they normally sell here is the tourist package, which isn't bad. It's not bad at all, actually. I mean, oh, so many people up there. Hello. I don't know what they're doing. But, so, however, if you get a local SIM, they're much cheaper, and really, it is, that's all it is. It's just much cheaper. And I went to the TrueMove lady desk, and she's like, yeah, if you go upstairs to 7-Eleven in the airport, you can just buy the local SIM there, and it's cheaper. So I'm going to do that, but first I'm going to sit somewhere and book my flight to Chiang Mai, since now that I know my flight arrived on time, by the way, from India. So again, thumbs up for go first, but now I'm gonna book a flight to Chiang Mai, since I know I can make it. I'm already at the airport, and then worry about a SIM card. I'll just use the free 1-hour Wi-Fi they have provided to book the flight. Alright, flight to Chiang Mai booked. SIM card, I'm going to have to wait till I get out of the airport, probably in Chiang Mai to get here. Even at 7-Eleven, they didn't have the non-tourist ones. I'm at the food court, if you can see behind me. Pro tip, if you come to Bangkok airport, there's a food court. There are food courts in all of them, but you have to find them, and this is where you get the local food, not the restaurant food. If you want restaurant food, of course, you can go to the normal area, but if you want food, like real Thai food, ask for a food court. And this one is the BKK airport, and yes, they have one, and I think Dun Mun also has one. Anyway, so ask for the food court. I've already had my papaya salad snack, and now I'm having mango sticky rice. I'm gonna have dinner later. I'll be here because my flight's like at 8 something and it's only like 4 p.m. So I'm having a snack now and dinner later. It's so good to be back. It's about 10:20 and we have made it to Chiang Mai. The flight from AirAsia from Bangkok to here was fairly straightforward, so thankful for that. Everything is made it here. My baggage. So excited to be back in Chiang Mai. It's been years. This is an amazing city. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys watching. See you guys on the next one.